Hello, we are going to talk about past simple in this unit. So we are starting with a very special verb, which is be. And when we studied be in the present, we saw that there are three forms. I am, he, she, it is, and we are. Okay, in the past, there are only two forms which correspond to was and where. If you have problems to remember when to use one or the other in the past, you can go to the present. So if we use are in the present, the corresponding form in the past will be where. So if you see, we've got the same final letters for both. Okay? Where, are. So the rest will be was. Let's start practicing all these. So, for example, let's take a subject. I'm going to take you. What will you say? I was or I were? In present we will say you are. So in the past must be you were. You were tired maybe? Okay, you were tired. Let's continue. Now we are using I. I am in the present, so that must be I was in the past. I was happy. Okay? Now, some children. If we say some children, remember, children is plural. Okay? So we will say some children are. In the past, we will say some children were. Some children were in the playground. Okay? Or if we say the dog, we have to use was again. And we could say, for example, the dog was with Susan. Okay? So we've been practicing when to use was and where. And now let's transform all these sentences into negative. And for that, to be has a special condition, and you can form the negation simply adding not to the verb. So we can get was plus not equals wasn't, and where plus not equals weren't. Considering all this, we can form some other sentences. For example, the weather wasn't very cold. Or you and your friend weren't in the kitchen. Okay? And we will continue. Now let's talk about questions. Once again, be is a special verb when forming questions, and we will see how to do it. Let's take an examples of affirmative sentence. For example, we'll say, Helen was at the library. This is a sentence in affirmative. Let's transform it into a question. Be careful. 1 and 2. We have to add a question mark. Was Helen at the library? Let's give another example. For instance, we were in London. Now we need to transform this into a question. And now, the only thing we have to do is change the order of the elements. Okay, so be gets first, and the subject will be in second place. Okay, so that's to be for the past simple. Bye.